Jay, you're in the way.
Oh, it's too bad. I ain't moving.
Let's see if I miss window. What about a pop? Very quiet. There's something wrong with these phones. Last year was kind of.
Will you not stop talking?
Well, you never leave me alone. Pop.
Okay, dude, you gonna look careful if I can't be screaming.
Just get on top of the roof. This seat down.
JV, shut up.
We can see these from the house. Get a mosquito over your head. You can tell us something. Hey, big body pants that fucking my mama. Shut up. Shut up, big nigga. I'm not black. You're Mexico. Trey, take the ski. Trey, take the ski and take off.
Shut the fuck up. Do it. Do it.
Trey, smack him. Send him back
You
to
too
daddy.
scared.
Leave, mom. You want the gas truck?
Make me. Little boy. You was light recording people.
Bro, stop recording me, Trey. This is like you were in the pranks.
Leave me alone.
Why are you touching my drink, JV? Stop touching my drink. Stop touching me, JV. Stop touching me.
I'll touch you again. I'll touch you again.
Bro, get your son. Stop why you gonna touch me again. It's free.
Oh, I just heard it too.
That was Cesarean. Cesarean.
That was your blood sister.
That was Cesarean.
Oh, I thought that was a homeless man.
Rashad.
You got to put the kid for a firework.
Stop touching me, little boy.
I'll touch you again.
Get your son.
Somebody touch me, I'm gonna touch them. Don't touch me. I'm gonna touch you then. Touch me. Yeah. Ew. Boy, I forgot my book. I'm about to go.
You like this back.
God.
I
can't even see y'all.
And it's Yoko.
We should get them.
Oh, they got Uncle. No, Uncle has some.
You hear me?
Uncle has some.
I guess I gotta go get it.
Jay, here's
I might have to go get this from work. And I gotta use the
Car broke down?
No, the tire going flat.
I mean, I'm gonna say, yeah, I bet we're still watching home.
Yeah, you talking?
what are you gonna drop you off?
Huh? I said, I'll be able to watch it from home.
Yeah, outside on the roof.
She got to drop you off at home.
I don't know. I probably won't go home. I'll probably just go.
Hey, you got the truck to go back up.
Whose phone you got? His.
Oh, what the?
Let's go. Shut the trunk.
When we shot it? Shut the
Shut
trunk.
the trunk.
Hey. Oh. I need to get him. I need to get him on my phone. I need to get him from my Insta.
Yeah, I'm not going that way because last time we went flying.
My Insta and my Snapchat. Yeah.
You about to fly.
Hey, she said get down. Oh, I can't get down. I'm black.
I can.
Javion, move your
Turn your
feet
phone
here.
flash down. Right, Trey, you can go up there with JV a little bit.
No, I'm getting right here. I need to get it.
My foot.
It's from my YouTube.
I don't
Trey,
care.
Javion, I'm not listening to
Trey Shannon. I'm not listening to all day long.
Javion, shut your ass up, man.
It's from my YouTube, bro. Shut up. You shut up. Tell your mama that.
Yeah, not too much on my mom.
Me, shut up. You can shut up too. Man, you might can shut up too, you tell y'all.
Not too much on Dewey's.
Me, shut up on YouTube. I tell anybody shut up. Who gonna tell me to stop?
Tell mama shut up and watch what happens.
Ma, you need to be quiet.
Right here, shut up.
Ma, you need to shut up.
I'm about to buckle up.
Yeah, you need to shut up too.
Okay, you just lay down and shut up, for real.
I'm trying to get it from my
buckled
phone. Ow. Yeah, move your feet, bro. I'm not trying to lay side. I'm not about to between your legs. Like how we doing it with
You gotta
Jay.
be gay. You gotta be gay with every little thing.
I mean, when your dad let me text you, hey.
When the last time your dad talked to you?
Oh my god, all y'all shut up.
When did your dad talk to you? Just move your foot on my. Ow!
Kid in the street. Let me see.
Of course you want to see some little kids in the street.
That fat.
Well, they got kids on a boat. Somebody's feet stink.
They just.
No, just hair yarns. No, it's your upper lip, ma.
Don't mean.
Hold up. Stop right here. Stop right here. Let's watch right here.
Over there too.
Kenny?
Who is that?
No, they always back here. They can still see it. They just look. Dang. Ow, Javion.
Bro, you're in my way.
Your head is up. Why?
Come on, take some.
I'm about to